Ethereum value equivalent to $2,309.46 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $2,292.31, $2,328.23. The earlier day close: $2,307.85. The change was plus 1.61, plus 0.07%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum figure for May 2024. To start with, cost at $1978. Exorbitant cost $23.69, while low cost $19.78. The normal for the month $2,135. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,214, change for May 11.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $22.14. Excessive cost $26.75, while low cost $22.14. The normal for the month $2,401. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end: exorbitant cost $29.06, while low cost $2,500. The normal for the month $2,656. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,716, change for July 8.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $27.16. Exorbitant cost: Ethereum gauge for September 2024. To start with, cost at $27.58. Exorbitant cost $30.35, while low cost $26.37. The normal for the month $2,817. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,836, change for September 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $28.36. Excessive cost $30.64, while low cost $26.64. The normal for the month $2,857. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,864, change for October 1.0%. Ethereum figure for November 2024. Before all else, cost at $28.64. Excessive cost $31.62, while low cost $27.48. The normal for the month $2,932. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,955, change for November 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $29.55. Excessive cost $31.68, while low cost $27.54. The normal for the month $2,960. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,961, change for December 0.2%. Ethereum estimate for January 2025. To start with, cost at $29.61. Exorbitant cost $32.52, while low cost $28.26. The normal for the month $3,020. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,039, change for January 2.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset, cost at $30.39. Excessive cost $3,700, while low cost $30.39. The normal for the month $3,309. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,458, change for February 13.8%. Ethereum figure for WAC 2025. Initially cost at $34.58. Excessive cost $37.43, while low cost $32.53. The normal for the month $3,488. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,498, change for spring 1.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place, cost at $34.98. Exorbitant cost $43.42, while low cost $34.98. The normal for the month $3,849. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,058, change for April 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for May 2025. To start with, cost at $40.58. Exorbitant cost $44.23, while low cost $38.45. The normal for the month $4,115. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,134, change for May 1.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at $41.34. Excessive cost $4,600, while low cost $39.98. The normal for the month $4,258. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,299, change for June 4.0%. Ethereum gauge for July 2025. To start with, cost at $42.99. Exorbitant cost $53.36, while low cost $42.99. The normal for the month $4,730. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,987, change for July 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at $49.87. Exorbitant cost $49.87, while low cost $39.65. The normal for the month $4,551. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,263, change for August 14.5%. Ethereum conjecture for September 2025. Before all else, cost at $42.63. Excessive cost $42.63, while low cost $36.68. The normal for the month $4,035. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,944, change for September 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at $39.44. Excessive cost $48.95, while low cost $39.44. The normal for the month $4,340. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,575, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for November 2025. To start with, cost at $45.75. Exorbitant cost $45.75, while low cost $35.74. The normal for the month $4,142. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,843, change for November 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at $38.43. Exorbitant cost $38.43, while low cost $3,002. The normal for the month $3,479. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,228, change for December 16.0%. Ethereum figure for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $32.28. Excessive cost $32.28, while low cost $25.22. The normal for the month $2,923. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,712, change for January 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else, cost at $27.12. Exorbitant cost $32.35, while low cost $27.12. The normal for the month $2,921. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,023, change for February 11.5%. Ethereum figure for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $30.23. Excessive cost